Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video is a bit of a sad video for us. So yesterday our bird Cloud flew out the house. We left the door open. I've been leaving the door open for Callie, our dog, so she could go outside and use the restroom. So I leave the door open and so then usually I take Cloud out, I let her out, and I usually put her on the table with her cage and her toys, you know? And I left the door open like for a while, and she ended up flying out. And Alyssa was the one that came and told me, like, hey, you know, she came and told me that Cloud flew out the door. And so when I ran out, I didn't see her anywhere. And she said she had flown east, you know, and it was really windy. So I was looking and looking, calling her. I tried looking for her as best as I can. And I just left her cage out. I left her stuff out the whole night, the whole day, and nothing. I walked around, and by the end of the day, I was really like, I was just so upset. Like I just kept looking up videos of, you know, people that their birds flew away, and they say, oh, just, you got to look for them. And stuff that I read, they said get into groups of like groups, and like split up in groups and look for her around, call her name, and I just nothing. You know, I wish I would have known this before, because I had told the kids to stay inside and not, you know, because I didn't want them scaring her. But since she knows them, maybe it would have been helped. You know, she would have like maybe like seen them or heard them, you know. So anyways, I left her cage out the whole night, hoping she'd come back, and she didn't. Me and Delilah were very sad last night, because Delilah was fine throughout the day, you know, but last night it kind of hit her, like, you know, that her bird's not coming back. And it is really sad. You know, I know it sounds dumb to a lot of people because it's just a bird, but Cloud has been like with us for about 6-7 months. She's a part of our family, just like our dogs are part of our family, you know. And they're very special to us. And Cloud, I've been, you know, bonding with her more lately. And, you know, she's gotten closer to me. Now she's to the point where she like flies to my head, you know. And we just hope we could find her. So, you know, we prayed about it. We've been praying, you know, we've been asking God to please help us, you know. It's okay, baby. We just been praying about it, you know, hoping for a miracle. You know, it's been all night. It's been a whole day already, and there's no sign of her. I'm hoping she's still hiding somewhere. I'm hoping nothing happened to her. I hope there's a lot of crows out. I hope like none of the crows like attacked her. I don't know. I'm just hoping she's okay, you know. And I just hope that if somebody found her, that, you know, they take care of her, you know. But I was reading, it said that sometimes they can fly up to a mile radius. So I don't know how that works, because there's so many trees, there's so many places to look. Where could she have gone? You know, and so we're going to try right now. We're going to try to look. I'm going to go out the apartment complex. I didn't go out the apartment complex because I didn't think she went that far. But I'm going to go out and look for at least just throughout the day, hoping we find her. So yeah, we're going to take you guys along with us, and just hopefully we find her, you know. And if not, you know, it's really going to be sad for us.
I want to talk.
Okay, what do you want to say?
Guys, I want to talk to you something, because my bird is so gone, and I want to take care of my bird, because I'm just being sad at nighttime, and then because I'm so sad because my bird is gone, and then my two birds are gone.
Yeah, Delilah did get 2 birds for her birthday. One was...
No, I'm talking.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Talking.
Okay.
Because I just brought her my birthday. Grandma gave me for me my birthday, and then Sky died, and then Cloud flew away, and then no one took care of my bird. I take care of it because my bird is all gone. Because they're all gone, I don't have birds. Yeah. Cloud flew away. Yeah. He flew away there. And then I prayed Jesus because and Jesus took care of my Cloud and Sky. And yeah.
All right. So yeah, so we're gonna get ready right now. Delilah's gonna get ready, and we're gonna go look for her now. Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
Bye. We come back soon. We walk.
Okay.
We look for the bird. Okay. Bye.
Alrighty. You got her? So we've been looking for her already. We already went through the front of the apartment complex. So we're just whistling and calling her. Trees, so hard. That's the hard thing about it. Like you don't even know where to look. It's like a needle in a haystack, for real. Setup that I have. I had it all spread out, but the wind kept blowing everything, so I had to put it all together. So we had no luck. We did go for like a 30-minute walk around the complex, but nothing, no sign of her anywhere. We ended up coming home for a little bit. I had to do a couple things, and right now I have to head to the store because I have my sister's baby shower coming up, so I have to get a few things for it. But right now I was thinking of just taking a little drive and maybe looking around to see maybe I could find her. I don't know. I don't even know what to do anymore at this point. I feel like it's been already too long. I should have been really on it yesterday. So yeah, we'll see. I think I'm gonna stop right here and then just probably walk. I have her little cage with me just in case. go. Cloud. That was a little white bird. There's nothing here. Just gonna probably go to this apartment complex across from me. You guys see my bird? I'm looking for a white parakeet. No? They say that where there's a lot of noise from birds that they're trying to alert somebody that they're not supposed to be, that they're strangers or whatever. I don't know. That's why I'm trying to go where there's a lot of bird noises. Maybe birds whistling and they're trying to tell me something.
Birds.
Huh?
We didn't have birds.
Yeah, we don't have no more birds, baby. You guys want to help me look for Cloud?
No, he's gone.
Want to help me look for Cloud, Callie?
No,
Why?
I don't want to. Because I eat cloud.
No, you don't. You love Cloud. You play with her.
No, I don't.
What are you doing? You're playing?
Yeah, I'm playing.
All right, so now me and Callie are going for a little walk. Callie just took off right now. Get over here, Callie. Get over here. I'm not playing with you, man. Come on. Come here. I need you running off either. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Look at you. You want your treat? Callie. Callie. Little punk. I hate when she does that. He's gonna go straight home. Callie. She doesn't want to come. She's scared. She's scared I'm gonna yell at her. Come here, Mama. Vente, Mama. Come here. Come here. I'll give you a treat. I give you a treat. Come here. Come here. You're not in trouble. You went straight home. Good girl. You went straight home, okay? You're not in trouble. Come on. Come here. So we had no luck today. Spent a few hours today already looking for her, and I wish I would have really looked for her yesterday as much as I could, and hope this video helps somebody that if this ever happens to you, you know, make sure you always just in those few hours just look for your bird, you know, because there could be a chance he could just be close by. But anyways, we're gonna close out this video and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.